maybe it's more the point that like everybody's buying everything out of house and home, so maybe it's smarter to do that. I don't know. Hey, it is currently very tired. I think I just made my hair look worse by trying to brush it. Well, that sucks. Yeah, you know what? I thought that was like an exaggeration. First grocery store I went to last night was fine, I think. I didn't walk around the whole thing. The second one, though, was very, very empty, and it was very frustrating to find the things I wanted. So hopefully in the next grocery store I go to, first of all, it has my medication, and second of all, it has orange juice and other things that I want. Hello, Jabbas, what is up? No, this is the math girl, early stream, dying over here. I'm glowing because it's really sunny, that's it. It's not me, it's the sun. Yeah, not just my medication, not like for my ADHD and stuff, nothing extreme. They probably won't have it, but I'll be fine without it. I mean, whatever, it's not great, but I'm not sick. I ain't sick, y'all. Well, thank you. My hair is disgusting, and I think it looked better before, and then I tried to make it look nicer. Maybe I'll go get a bow. I'm gonna go get a bow, because I'm very tired and kind of don't care right now. Sell them, I don't know. Whatever. It ain't no thing. Also, furniture's hella expensive, you know what I mean? Hello, I look like a cheerleader. Gross. God. Coffee, there has been some changes around here. I feel like Coffee's gonna be upset about that one. Show him the language thing. That's the one I wanted, only the language one, but just because I was being all sassy about just being sassy. Because I do want people to speak in Danish if they want. It helps me learn. Although, hopefully that doesn't encourage Danish trolls that are going to say mean things to me. But Danish people would never say mean things to me, right? Right, Mass?